So, do AI detectors work? Hi, welcome to Talier AI. This is G, and I teach Pinoys everything about AI from beginner to advanced. So today we're going to be tackling a big question. Do AI detectors really work? Before I answer that, let us first understand what AI detectors are and how they work. So AI detectors use machine learning and statistical models to analyze yung text and identify yung patterns that are whether it's written by humans or AI. No? So there are three components: perplexity, burstiness, and linguistic. So let's break it down. Una sa lahat, perplexity. Ano ba yung perplexity? Perplexity measures how unpredictable a text is. Pag AI-generated yung text, it tends to have low perplexity, meaning very smooth, very predictable. Parang wala siyang sablay, no? So yung pangalawa is called burstiness. Ano ba yung burstiness? Burstiness is checks the sentence kung very complex siya. So, sentence complexity, baga. So, AI-generated texts usually have low burstiness, meaning uniform ang mga sentence, hindi varied, hindi complex, no? Yung pangatlo, linguistic. Yung linguistic naman, AI detectors analyze yung text structure, yung word choices, coherent ba siya, ano yung context. Kasi ang humans, tayo, we have unique word patterns, no? AI often sticks to repetitive phrases or structures. Yung gagaya niya lang, yung sa kanya lang, no? So now here's the funny part, no? Most of the AI detectors are actually built on the same large language model that uses to generate AI written text. So basically, dinidetect nila yung sarili lang nila, no? And pangalawa, yung mga detectors na ito are based on the older models of the LLMs. Like, kasi ngayon, madami ng updates sa mga bagong LLMs like ChatGPT-4, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Llama models. These newer models or newer tools are better at making text sound human, unpredictable, and complex. So here's a interesting proof, no? When they ran the US Constitution through an AI detector, it flagged it as AI written. So imagine mo no? US Constitution, AI. So ang tanong ko ngayon is, can you trust AI detectors 100%? Absolutely not, no? They often produce tinatawag nating false positives, meaning real humans writing gets flagged as AI generated. And with newer models, it's even hard to tell the difference between the two. So, to answer the question, do AI detectors work? No, not really. But what can you do to spot AI written context? So, kung gusto mo malaman yung sagot na yan, abangan mo yung susunod na episode. I'll see you guys tomorrow.